Moorcroft Chickens, another episode. This one's to do with making a budget chicken roost for 1 or 2 chickens, or if you've got one what's poorly and he's separating from the rest, you can use an unused or slightly broken wheelie bin. Make sure it belongs to you though, not the council. Firstly, I want to make 2 holes on either side of the bin for a perch, so they've got somewhere to perch on at night, because it's a lot better for them to perch than laying on the ground. So sharp screwdriver, really push it into the bin, really push the sharp screwdriver in, and you should make a nice clean hole. There we are, that's that one done. Push the screwdriver in, use plenty of body weight to push in, and there we're done. Now we get the perch. That's a perch, it can be wooden. I've got this one as plastic because it doesn't harbour any mites in plastic. So the idea of it is you line the perch up with the holes and you put the screw in through the side, so you put the screw through, so that holds that side. This one might be a bit harder, we'll see. Put the other screw in. Right, put a screw in this side, just give it a gentle tap in like that. And that's your perch fastened in, so that when you lay the wheelie bin down like so, you've got your perch for a nighttime roost. Right, I managed to find a volunteer to model the complete construction. I did a run, I made a run earlier, and you can fit it at the end of your wheelie bin, and you've got a good size run with the wheelie bin, enough room for 1 to 2 chickens. You must remember though, at night time you must make sure that you bring the wheelie bin back a bit and close the lid down so the hen doesn't get attacked by a fox in the night. Anyway, thank you for watching this episode, and I hope it teaches you something so you save a bit of money, because obviously the wheelie bin isn't going to cost you much, but make sure it does belong to yourself and don't get in trouble with the council. Thank you very much for watching.